name is Emily Howling. I'm a physicist and a member of the Women in Nuclear Central England Committee, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a carbon snake. You should always be careful conducting experiments involving fire. If you have long hair, make sure it's tied back, and it's always a good idea to wear a pair of snazzy safety goggles, just as a precaution. Also, make sure that you're doing it on a fireproof base in a well-ventilated area and that there's water nearby, just as a precaution. If you are a child, you should have an adult supervising you at all times, and that adult should never leave the flame unattended. Stay safe, have fun! For this experiment, you will need 4 teaspoons of icing sugar and 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and you want to mix those together nicely. You will also need a pie tin on a heat-proof base and some sand, which you're going to put in the pie tin and then make a little hole on top. Pour lighter fluid on the mound and in the indentation, making sure the sand is well soaked. Tip the mixture into the dent in the sand and carefully light it. Make sure an adult helps with that part. You can see the icing sugar mixture is bubbling and turning black. This video is sped up 10 times as it takes a few minutes for the snake to start, so you may need to be a little patient. You can see some snakes starting to form there. There are actually 3 different reactions going on here to make the carbon snake. Firstly, the sugar burns for oxygen around it. We call this combustion. The sugar is made up of sucrose molecules. These molecules are each built out of 12 carbon atoms, 22 hydrogen atoms, and 11 oxygen atoms. The sucrose reacts with the oxygen in the air during combustion to make carbon dioxide and water vapour. These gases push up more of the sugar and bicarbonate of soda mixture. Some of the sugar in the middle heats up but isn't touching the oxygen in the air, so it can't combust. Instead, it undergoes thermal decomposition. The sucrose molecules break into solid carbon and water vapour. The solid carbon is like charcoal, so that's what gives the snake its dark colour and makes it hold its shape. Thirdly, the bicarbonate of soda also thermally decomposes and makes solid sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water vapour. Together, these 3 reactions produce solid material to build the snake and hot gases to inflate it. The sand in the tin helps distribute the heat evenly, but doesn't react with anything. The bits of sand that look like they have burned is just because I reused the sand a few times, so there were little bits of the sugar mixture in it. You can see it looks almost like a goat head, which is slightly spooky. It's not quite turned out into a snake shape, but you can see that there are snake shapes in there. And remember, even after the flames have gone, it still will be very hot, so be careful moving it afterwards. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you have fun trying this out for yourself. Good luck. Bye!